Error finding. So there are two columns. One is incorrect and correct. Each line has one error that you have to find it out. It can be of any grammatical that you have to write here, and the correct word you have to write here. So first question. Test and examination are not confined to school alone. Okay, now look at the next line. They are widely used at various. So when you read the first line, you'll see that first line is written in passive voice. Test and examination are not confined. Are confined. That means in simple present, passive language. Are not confined to school alone. And this will be the sequential line after this only. So we are talking about test and examination only. So they are widely used at various. It should be used here, because simple present passive is are plus V3. In passive language, we write the verb in third form. So it should be they are widely used at various. So the incorrect is used and correct here will be used. Next, various government and non-government level. So they are widely used at various. So various is plural, no? So something here also should be plural. Various something plural. Various what? Various government and non-government level or levels. It should be levels. So the incorrect is level and the correct one is levels. Next, business and industry too is using test. So business and industry. So if the subject is singular, the verb should be singular, and if the subject is plural, the verb should be plural. This is called subject verb agreement. Error can be of any kind, whether it will be subject verb agreement or passive or preposition, tenses, anything. So you have to read line and you have to find it out the error. So business and industry, plural subject takes a plural verb. So here in place of is, it should be are. Business and industry too are using test. Tests are used of the selection of candidates. So test plural, are plural, used, third form of verb. This is correct. Okay. Tests are used for the selection. Okay. The correct way of saying is used for the selection. So this preposition is wrong here. So in place of we will write for. Tests are used for the selection of candidates. And in some case, they are one of the criterias of selection. Now, and in some. So where we have to use some, we always take a noun plural form. Some boys, some girls, like this. So in this way, some case is incorrect. It should be some cases. So the correct is case and it should be cases. And in some cases, they are one of the criterias of selection. The success of doctor is tested at his skill. The success of doctor is. So the success of doctor here, it is one doctor and it is written. This is correct. Tested, is tested, passive form. Is tested at his skill. Tested in his skill. So correct preposition is in. Okay. Is tested in his skill in diagnosis and curt. If he passed this test, he pass. Singular, verb should be singular. So pass is plural form and we will write the singular form passes. So the success of doctor is tested in his skill. Okay, in his skill in diagnosis and curt. And if he passes this test, his patient are. Now look, odd. This is odd. Okay, because it is singular, then it should be singular. If it is plural, then it should be plural. So his patient, this is wrong. We will make it first error which we find it, that will be corrected. So this one, patient, it should be patience. His patients are extremely happy about it. Now this is your next question, and in this also we have to find the incorrect word, and in place of that we have to write correct word. The medicines prescribed by the doctor could relieve you of pain, but you. So in this there is no error. From the second line you have to find the error. The medicines prescribed by the doctor could relieve you of pain. Could is incorrect because it should be can. There is a perfect possibility, can relieve you of pain. So in place of could it will be can. Can relieve you of pain, but you may always read the instruction before consuming the medicine. So, but you may always read the instructions before consuming the medicine. This is a line which is about our duty, obligation, duty, obligation. So, for the duty, we use modal should, yes, to express duty, to show duty. So in this the error is may, but you should always, yes, but you should always read the instruction before consuming the medicine. So here incorrect is may and the correct one is should. Next line, consuming the medicine. You will stick on to the dose prescribed, otherwise you will develop counter symptoms. Now, you will stick on to the dose prescribed, otherwise you will stick on to the dose. This is also a line which is telling us to stick on the dose, onto the dose. So this is the line which is showing a compulsion, kind of compulsion that we have to do. Yes. So this will is incorrect because this line is showing a compulsion. To show the compulsion, necessity, obligation, we use modal must. So will is incorrect and we will write must here. You must stick. Yes, because if doctor is saying something to you, then you have to, that you must stick on to the dose. So you must stick on to the dose prescribed, otherwise you will develop counter symptoms. So you will develop counter symptoms. Will. So you must stick on to the dose prescribed, otherwise then the counter symptoms may or may not be developed. It is not compulsory that it will develop only symptoms. Okay, counter symptoms will only develop. It is not like this. This is not a kind of compulsion. This is line which showing a probability. So for the probability, we use a modal may. So you must stick on to the dose prescribed, otherwise you may develop counter symptoms. Yes, so will is wrong here and we will write may. You may develop counter symptoms. And if we are saying you may develop counter symptoms, this will be very dangerous? No, it can be very dangerous. Okay, so will is wrong and we will write can, because can be very dangerous. Possibility. Okay. So one might be careful in matters of medicine. So one might be careful. Might be careful is wrong. Okay. Must be careful is correct, because it is a careful word showing a compulsion, obligation. So one must be careful. Though this one is wrong, might, and in place of might we will write, so one must be careful. Careful in matters of medicine. Now next one. It is better to be sure than repenting later. Some medicines will be poisonous. So some medicines we are talking about, some medicines will be poisonous. This will be poisonous is again wrong, because again we are talking about the probability. Yes. So if we talk about probability, this will is incorrect. So in place of will, the correct word is may. Some medicines may be poisonous and must have disastrous consequences. Some medicines may be poisonous. If may be, then how it can be must have disastrous consequences. Yes. So here some medicines may be poisonous and can have disastrous consequences. So the incorrect word is must and the correct word is can. Because we are saying that something may be poisonous, then that must have disastrous consequences. Must means compulsion. So this word is incorrect, no? So here we have to write can in place of must.